BMW K1600 GTL Best Adventure Motorcycle, $38,999 MSRP, 160 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. The flagship of BMW Tourers, the 2021 BMW K1600 GTL, has a few deviations from last year. There's nothing huge, though there are new colors, along with changes to the options and packages. Here we go with the 2021 BMW K1600 GTL, fresh from our European contacts. 1. BMW has dropped the safety package. A number of its features are now standard on the latest K1600 GTL. 2. Reverse is no longer an option on the GTL, it's on every example. 3. Instead of being an option, DLRs are now standard on the GTL. 4. You don't have to pay extra for tire pressure monitoring any longer. BMW will have the safety feature standard on the 21 GTL. 5. If you get the comfort package, engine protection bars are now included. Even if you don't want the comfort package, the bars are available as an independent option. The GTL's colors are shuffled around for 2021. Gone are Polex Metallic, Option 179 Stardust Metallic, and Option 719 Blue Planet Metallic/Ivory Spezial. In their place are Manhattan Metallic, Style Elegance, as well as Option 719 Mineral White Metallic. For fans of Black Storm Metallic, it's back for 21. The availability and prices for the 2021 BMW K1600 GTL are not yet available. BMW K1600 GTL Specifications. Engine Type, Inline 6. Displacement, 1,649 cubic centimeters. Borax stroke, 72 by 67.5 millimeters. Maximum power, 160 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. Maximum torque, 129 ft-lbs at 5,250 RPM. Maximum speed, 125 plus mph. Compression ratio, 12.2 to 1. Valvetrain, DOHC, 4 VPC. Gearbox, constant mesh 6-speed with helical-cut gears. Clutch, hydraulically actuated multi-disc. Final drive, shaft. Chassis. Frame, aluminum bridge type with load-bearing engine. Front suspension, travel, BMW Motorrad Duolever with central spring strut, 4.5 inches. Rear suspension, travel, BMW Motorrad Paralever, 5.3 inches. Wheels, cast aluminum. Front wheel, 17 by 3.50. Rear wheel, 17 by 6.00. Front tire, 120/70x17. Rear tire, 190/55x17. Front brakes, 320 mm floating discs W/4 piston fixed calipers. Rear brake, 320 mm disc with dual piston floating caliper. ABS, cornering aware ABS standard. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase, 63.7 inches. Rake, 27.8 degrees. Trail, 4.2 inches. Seat height, 29.5 inches, various optional seats. Curb weight, 772 pounds. Fuel capacity, 7.0 gallons. Estimate fuel consumption, 41 miles per gallon. Colors: Black Storm Metallic, Manhattan Metallic, Style Elegance. Option 719 Mineral While Metallic. BMW K1600 GTL price, $MSRP TBA.